smart procurement and global trade insights.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Procurement. Good to see you all again. Today we're diving into a topic that sounds simple, but trust me, it trips up even experienced buyers. CIF. Yeah, that famous cost, insurance and freight term that everyone thinks they understand. Until something goes wrong. So grab a coffee, relax, and let's break this down together. So CIF basically means the seller pays for the goods, the insurance, and the freight, all the way to your destination port. Sounds generous, right? But here's the twist. Even though the seller pays for all that, the risk doesn't stay with them for long. Alright, here's where most people get caught. Under CIF, the risk moves to you, the buyer, the moment the goods are loaded onto the vessel at the origin port. So imagine this. The seller pays for the ship, the insurance, the freight, but if something happens during the voyage, you're the one dealing with the headache. Feels a bit sneaky, doesn't it? And let's talk about insurance for a second. CIF only requires the seller to give you the minimum level. ICCC. Minimum. As in, the bare minimum. A lot of buyers think they're fully covered, but ICCC barely covers anything. If you want real protection, you'll need to upgrade the insurance yourself. CIF isn't all bad. It works fine for bulk cargo, break bulk and traditional sea shipments. But for container shipments? Nope, not recommended. Experts usually say, if it's containerized, go with CIP instead. It gives you better insurance and works across all transport modes. Think of CIP as CIF's smarter, more flexible cousin. It just gives you better protection overall. Before you accept CIF, just do a quick 3-point check. 1. What insurance level is the seller giving you? 2. Who's the carrier and what route are they using? 3. And most importantly, do you understand exactly when the risk shifts to you? If you've got those 3 covered, you're in good shape. So that's CIF. Simple on paper, tricky in real life. It looks buyer-friendly, but the risk transfer and minimal insurance can surprise you if you're not paying attention. Use it wisely, and you'll avoid a lot of unnecessary drama. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and stick around. We've got plenty more procurement insights coming your way.